Let me show you what's going on here as we check out what's happening with showers and storms. Got a couple of flood advisories in effect right now because the rainfall is so heavy and these storms really aren't moving anywhere very quickly. So we're going to see a lot of temporary flooding on and off today due to these slow moving storms. Really heavy rain still going on from Juno Beach to Palm Beach Gardens all the way down to Wellington here, right over I-95 and the Turnpike in northern Palm Beach County, out past Loxahatchee, the acreage with a thunderstorm now popping up there, north of Hobe Sound, south of Palm City, everywhere in here, seeing some heavy rainfall right again over I-95 and the Turnpike too. And then look at this, PGA Village back toward Okeechobee, couple of new storms popping up in Okeechobee here, St. Lucie Village, Fort Pierce, and down toward Port St. Lucie. All these colors here, reds, yellows, that's all super heavy rainfall. And then we back out just a little bit, you can see a couple of showers right over top of the lake. Future track shows as we progress through the afternoon, showers and storms continue to develop and drift more easterly, and even through the evening hours, 7, 8, 9, 10 o'clock tonight, we're still dealing with some rainfall. Eventually it starts to quiet down, but we see it all again tomorrow with slightly higher chances for rain on Wednesday and then again on Thursday, although hopefully things will start to clear up a little bit by the evening hours for Clematis by night. So rain chances go from 60% to 70% to 60% to 20%. Why do they go to 20%? Let's track the tropics. This little area here, shaded in yellow, Hurricane Center's giving it a 30% chance for something to develop in here as we get to Friday and Saturday. And it's going to be an area of low pressure that develops here. So what we have right now is a front that's draped over top of us, and that is creating the energy necessary to get the rainfall. Drier air is up to our north. So the front hangs around, the rain hangs around. But as we get to Friday and Saturday, some low pressure begins to develop here, moves up the coast of Florida, and the wraparound drier air comes on down the peninsula and gives us more sunshine and lower chances for rain as we get into Friday, Saturday, and even Sunday. So for the next few days, the front hangs around, 60% chance for rain today, 70% tomorrow, 60% Thursday. And then as that drier air starts to move around the western side of that low pressure, our rain chances dropping to 20 to 30% for Friday, Saturday, and even Sunday. That's a look at the forecast.